What up, what up, what up? All right. What up, Porky? We are working on just making these icons a touch bigger. See if I can, because in the app they don't look great. Like the ones on the far right do, but the ones on the far left do not. So I think I want to try to increase them to match the same size as this. See what that, or at least the same size as this one. And see what that looks like. So I'm gonna make it size 327.02, 372.02, if I can. I can't edit this apparently. Can I copy it then? Hmm. What's a man gotta do to edit this? No, I don't do everything on my own. In fact, this was done by someone in the community. Created these icons. So these are your icons when you level up through the app. So you can see it right here, actually. Yeah, let me go over here. Let me go to the actual app. You can see it on Akira's profile here. He's level 1, but that icon's too small. It needs to be the same size as, in my opinion, as these other ones. So that's the idea. So I'm trying to edit I don't know how to edit this. Would love nothing more. Maybe I can create my own. Did it paste? Nice. All right. Well, I can obviously edit this. Do we need, what I'm thinking, 492. What if this was size 492? Well, that definitely. That was not what I wanted to change. I suck at Figma for the record. 492 by 492. Hmm. 492, 492. Ten and 10. All right. So I'm just toying with the idea of increasing everything. Let's do that again. 10, 10, 492, 492. So now they're all the same icons. Oh, this is interesting. I can either leave that gap in the middle there or increase this one to be even bigger. So it would be 69.99. Hmm. Yo, Uber, what up? I think that, I mean, that looks reasonable. Oh, okay. Um, let's update this one. So this is 69.99. 69.99. 69.99. Wish me luck. 69.99 and then this one. Copy. What up, Johnny? How we doing? Why does that feel like that didn't work? I just feel like that just didn't do what I needed it to do. Oh, that's negative. Okay, hold on. So our icons in the app, if you check this out, they're too small, so that's level 1. It's just a dinky little triangle. It's simply too small. You could see it next to Akira's username. So we need to update that. I'm hoping to update it to be a lot bigger. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta run to the bathroom quick. Thanks, Johnny. Appreciate it. What up, Lakey? Just trying to what up, Louie? So the icon's too small in the app. As we can see here next to Akira's name. Too small. Not yeah, I am trying to scale it, but I'm also trying to make sure it looks correct. The question is, and I think this look doesn't look terrible. We could also just do this. God, I'm the worst at Figma, dude. Just dragging, like freely dragging elements. I know that's not what you're supposed to do. Going all the way back, I would like to do them side by side so we can kind of see the before and after. Duplicate. Oh, you can't. Sorry. Here we go. Duplicate. How do I do this? Okay. There you go. So this is a before and after. This is before. Well, this is what I'm thinking for after. If I can ever get it to work. So this is 737. Happy. So I'm wondering if this needs to be like this. Razarji's lined yet. He couldn't see it. I didn't have it open. You can see it now, yeah? All right, so that's honestly, I'm gonna move these up. All right. What size is this? This is 10,942. That truly, what was it? 492. Grim, what's good? Oh, damn, what up? Didn't even see that. Welcome in, Raiders. We're doing some Figma this morning. Thanks for choosing us, Grim. How you guys doing? I don't know if you've ever gotten your Figma on before, but that's what we're up to. Not my favorite activity, but it needs to be done. So you just got to kind of grind through it. We just created a leveling system and our icons look a little goofy. So we're trying to work through that. I'm with you, dude. I don't. This is the last place I want to be. The last place I want to be. I really shouldn't spend too much time. So there you go. Well, I got my boy Strong working on these, but he's not available at the moment, so I gotta step in. Yeah, I didn't create any of these. Someone else in the community did. What up, Bass? How you doing? This is what I'm thinking. Make this thing bigger. I'm just toying with the different options. We'll see which one we like more. And it does that to me. I don't know why it does that. Really annoying. There. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. We have a couple options. Level one's either medium. This is what it is today. I'm thinking let's make it a little bit bigger. We'll probably make it this big. So then the next question is, guys, which one looks like a level 2? This one? Probably this one. Probably this is probably our leveling system. 1, 2, 3. Did I see if it? No, let me open that up. Damn, dude, looks clean. Don't waste your life. Looking clean, dude. That's a really cool idea, honestly. All right, so that's going to be it. The other alternative, just for funsies. Oh, gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Doing fine, just sending up development tools. Did you get? Were you the one who got the M3? Isn't that like the greatest thing ever? A new freaking Mac. There it is. All right, and then just delete this. Copy. Paste. There. No, wait a minute. It looks the same. I don't know what I was trying to do. That's it. Oh no! Oh no! 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 I think this is it. So let's export this. Export. All right, let's try this out. Let's put this in the app. Level 1. All right, here we go. Ready? Admin. Let's see if I can do this, guys. So this is our admin page for anybody who's unfamiliar, and this is how we manage a lot of our assets. So here's a level. Here's the icon right here. This is one we're going to be dropping. So let's go in here and level 1, V2, downloads. Why are we not sorting by? Why are we not sorting? Level 1.svg. Okay. Levels. There's our level. Nice. Yeah, I'm doing super well. Thanks for thanks for the kind words. Hope the same for you, dude. Okay. Dope. So then you come to this badge, and this is going to be updated to be the new badge, and it should be that easy. When I come over here and refresh Akira's profile, it should now use the new badge. There it is. There it is. It looks a little goofy. It just looks like a triangle. Oh crap. Hold up. Luz, let me hook you up here. My bot was down. It should have I should have hooked you up. So I'll rerun that for you. Gifted sub gamble. Let's go. Here we go. I'll even run an extra one for good measure. Boom. And better total users. Just to get your points back for you. There you go. Well, that's premium users. And better total users. Boom. Cool. Okay. I don't hate it. Is it clipping? No. I think it needs to have a more aggressive radius. This border radius is... I can't tell. Weird. That's it with a more aggressive corner. I can't tell what this corner is. Let's give it even a 25. I think I like that more. So let's export this. Level 1.1. So same thing. Come back over to the admin page. Yeah, let me switch my... All right, so here we go. Icons. Create. Boom. Dude, can I sort these by date? Level 1.1. I can already tell it's going to be better. One V3. Save. Badges. Level. So we're going to change this to this guy. Save. Now we'll come back over to here. You almost couldn't see a visible difference. I mean, it's not bad. The only other alternative was this one. We can try it. Why not? What up, Ibra? How you doing? Level 1.2. Okay, admin, icons, create. We're just working on icons today, dude. Level 1.4. Category levels. Badges, change this to be this one. Okay, so now it's smaller. Let's refresh late key then. I don't know if it went any smaller. I can't tell if it's any. Let's swap it out again. It's that easy, right? I come here and why does it have no key? All right, I'm gonna refresh this. Quigley, what's up? Yeah, the beer got punted on. I can't tell if it's getting any better or not. I feel like it didn't get any smaller. Let's just make sure this is even working. It is. So is that the right? We go back to icons, levels. These look the same. They look the same. I thought I added. Let me see. Yeah. What? You should be. Okay. I see. This thing's just small. It should be 492 by 492. Then the diamond inside it needs to be 7070. Yes. Oh, sorry. I'm so bad at switching scenes. The point system's done. The icons just don't look perfect. So we're working on them, trying to get them perfect. Delete. It just looked too small. I'm not happy, Runty. Like, not thrilled. But sometimes you got to get the job done. Strong is gone. So when Strong is gone, the dev dad's got to step in. This is the point. This is the icon to show your actual level. Well, he's just not online. And this needs to be done now. Okay. See, this thing's changing its dimensions on me. Don't do that. I need the outer dimensions. .492 by .492. .492. I just want to make this thing smaller. .492. Well, technically you can, Ibra. I'm sure if we go and look at your account right now, you will see your icon sitting next to you. The whole update's not out yet, but the badge is. You will see the badge. All right, so I need this thing to be smaller. .372. All right. Oh. I need to export the entire thing. Export. Here we go, guys. One, 3. Then we come over here. Add another icon. Level V5. All right, that's looking better. Levels, save. All right. Badges. So level 1. This. Let's go back over here and let's see what happens when I refresh Akira's page here. So that's what level 1 is. Screw it. We might as well just make it the full size one. Call it a day. All right, so we're going to do this one. Well, let me start deleting some of these. I'm going to just make it this for right now. It's pretty cool how you could dynamically change these. Watch, when I go back now, it's going to be a different icon. It's kind of cool that we have this generic icon system. Let me delete pretty much all of these. Okay. Uh-oh. I just broke the app again. Probably. If I pull a refresh, I bet it doesn't work. I don't know. It's a lie. Oh no, that's not. That's my. I bet you the app's broken right now. Damn it! I did not mean to do that. Um, gotta fix that. Select star from badge. No, that's okay. There's level 1. Oh no, I changed it to the heart. Oh my god. Okay, I forgot I changed it to this. I forgot I changed it to this heart icon. I was like, the icon. I was like, it's gone. No, it's just this stupid heart. We're good. So we're gonna make this bad boy. Here. Save. Cool. Now we can make over here. Export. Drive. The moment the feature was done, we go back to the clean shave, baby. That was the deal. So this is gonna be called level 2. Okay. That's not actually what the plan was, but just mess it around. Icons. So this one's gone then. This one should be good and gone. Yeah, nothing uses that one anymore. So then icons, we need to upload level 2 v2. There it is. Like category, level, save, badge, boom. All right, I hope that looks good, guys. So here's level 2. So I'm gonna level up. Start server. Yeah. Well, the diamond's the very first level, so I hope the fire's cooler. But I think once you hit once you hit one of these levels, it's gonna be the colored ones, I think they're gonna look sick. Our client. All right, here we go. Let me reload. Probably not ready. I don't know, Tribe. I don't know. Okay, now watch this. I gotta pull my stuff down locally. So I go like this. Scripts. Whole DB icon. Badge. Hopefully I did that correctly. Push me luck. Cool. That guy's level. For some reason. Yeah, so there's level 1. It's just a giant triangle. It kind of looks lame. Which I think is good. We kind of want it to look lame. Now this, he's supposed to have a triangle here too. Well, I guess I got to level up or down for it to work. Let me add some more habits quick. I create one more. By create. All right, so now we're level 2. So that's what level 2 looks like. That's what level 2 looks like. We look at it over here. That's fine. So let's go back down to level 1 now. There's level 1. I would have expected that to update this badge. So why are we not updating the badge, bruh? Bruh. Why are you not updating the badge? All right, so let me go look at let me go look at why. No changes. Let's go. Let's check out master. Full. I don't know if that plays a factor. Probably not. Start server. Oh, I mean, I would love nothing more than free encouragement like that. She unfortunately doesn't love ramen. That doesn't work in my favor. All right, so we're back to the editor. She doesn't love ramen. I know. Very sus. Very sus. All right, so now we're level 2. I should have saw a badge. I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's crush. It was a crushing realization. Wait, what? Level 1. Okay? Level 1, guys. Give me the level 1 badge. Why am I not getting? Oh, I bet you it's that. Optionally adding level 2 badge. Adding level 1 badge. Okay, so why are you lying to me? Oh, it's a different user. I'm an idiot, guys. I'm an idiot. Oh, with the points, Renty, it's really hard to do. I really trust me. I really wanted that feedback to be instant, but it's a very hard the way that my system works to get that to work properly. Basically, you would have to recalculate the entire. You would have to re-implement the entire um point, or no, not point. The entire like you basically have to rebuild the entire set of logic around completing tasks and then completing a day. You'd have to rebuild the entire thing on the front end and basically just emulate that it's working, as opposed to the server telling you it worked, which it's probably worth our time eventually, but that sounds so boring right now to work on. So there's level 1. All right, so you're level 1. So why do you got a level 2 badge, bro? Why has he got a level 2 badge if he's level 1? And why are we already processing? Oh, have a streak refresh. That's fine. All right, let's watch. I can't tell if there's a problem or not yet. Adding level 2. Adding level 1. Okay, I just simply think pull to refresh is not refreshing this user, which makes sense, I think. Yeah, that's what's happening. So everything's working. It's just not refreshing the user. Okay. Obviously, I need to fix that text leaving the frame. That looks terrible. It is unstoppable. Once you have a working backend, using React Native is enough for functioning iOS mobile. Hell nah, dude. Yeah, React Native, you could do anything. It's awesome. Big fan of it. Okay, so check this. We need this text to wrap. Get body. Body. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what we have to do here. Hmm. Hmm. Why does that not seem to work? We have like 930 or something. Most of them don't use the app once they create an account. So we're gonna have to figure that out. That's actually the next update we're working on. All right, Runty, why isn't this thing line wrapping? Also, it's like it's actually behaving kind of weird. Our client. Vim. When VS Code? Never. Never. All right, so let's go to habit streak tier element. So unstoppable. Where's body? To prove this is working. Okay, cool. I did use VS Code. Luckily, I leveled up. Blue. All right, Ronti. What is going on here? Background color, green. Background with what up, process? Yeah, dude. We're looking pretty good. Just some very minor cleaning. I think VS Code has the easiest barrier, the lowest barrier of entry to get effective in. But NeoVim is generally the most punage that happens on any editor is in NeoVim. What up, programmer? This is NeoVim, which is what we're talking about. What about auto refresh? I'm unfamiliar. Bro, why ain't this thing line wrapping? What do I gotta do to get this thing to line wrap? Yeah, I become stupid. I gotta ask ChatGPT. I got no idea why it's not line wrapping. You know what I've been using is one called what has it been called? I've been using one called Claude, which seems to be it seemed to be pretty cool. Try adding more text. Hey, it line wrapped. Damn it. Why did it line wrap? Laws, I got you. Give me 2 seconds. I actually gotta go fill up. Wait, why did it line wrap? Adding flex 1 to the parent view. Let's see if ChatGPT knows what they're talking about. I'm just doomed. I'm just doomed, guys. ChatGPT's just smarter than me. You're guessing it's something pushing the size of the container as its negative padding. Whatever. We're good at least. So WebSocket service on levels. Okay, so here we need to refresh user. I'm trying to think of how I do that. I'm hoping I'd like have like a method that I could just call. Like this right here. User controller. Refresh current user. Okay. Refresh current user. So now user controller refresh current user. All right, so we're going to try that out. So now when I level up or down, the icon should appropriately change, and it does. Why? What happened? Now we're not getting our notifications. Tell you guys what, if it ain't one thing, it's another. There. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Level 2. There it is. Level 1. I would have expected that user to update. Lona in my computer, what up, what up? I would have expected them to refresh. You know what? It's probably a race condition. Hold on, I gotta blow my nose again and fill up my water. I'll be right back. All right. I made it back within the 10 seconds. Here's my hydrate, by the way. All right. I'm thinking we should have a new WebSocket for telling us that the user's been updated. Points updated. Which I don't think we use that anymore. Let me look for it. Nope. We'll search the server quick. Nope. Now we can go away. I don't know. Lots of different ways to do things, yeah. This is just the way I chose. User. Alright, so there's a new property called user updated. And then over here, we're going to create a new option called emit user updated. User updated. And then context. There is no payload. And then this will be user updated. So there we go. Ah. So where do I emit these? All from handlers. So let's go to event. I do have user. Dispatcher. Nice. Then there's user property, which is not this. We're also going to do this. Updated. Okay. And then let's go ahead here. Export as on updated. Great. That's the dispatcher. Then we need the listener. Event bus. Cool. Okay, then we need to go to the handler. Okay. No, I don't. Not that I plan to. Not that I plan to. So this is just going to be user. No, this is going to be web socket service.emit user updated. What does it want? Context. Hopefully we can do event dot context. Dope. Cool. Easy. Easy. Cool. So now we just need to actually call that. So that gets called level handler refresh. I don't love this, but whatever. User event dispatcher dot on updated. It's basically going to just call that each time on every I guess I'll do it on every refresh. Not my favorite. Kind of true though. And then that's fine. That's all I need. So we should see it emit this upon leveling up now. Emitting user updated. Perfect. So now we come to the server, the client here. And we're going to create a new one. That was really intense. Let's copy this one. And this is just basically the server telling the client, hey, you might want to get more data. You might want to refresh your data. So then what is this going to be? This is going to be right up here. Boom. Boom. Okay. Probably have to refresh, I hope. All right. So now, and I'm even going to do myself a favor. And I'm going to steal this confetti. For funsies. Just to see if this works. So when I level up and down. Well. We shouldn't confetti here. Uh-oh. See, it's like we're in a bad state with the WebSocket. It's like it's not reconnecting. Cool. So we do see now we don't throw confetti when we level up. So we can use the confetti to prove that this works. So now if you see confetti, that means the user's data was updated. I should see it right here. No confetti. Oh, God. I mean, we barely got it. But we did. All right, so if I do this, we should see confetti again. That's good. So there's level 2. Just as we'd expect. Let's go back down to level 1. Confetti. Nothing. Very interesting. Why not? Current user profile. Where does this user come from? Use current user. So I need to call user controller.invalidate current user also. Invalidate current user. All right. Refresh. So now I should expect that to work 100%. In fact, we could probably even do it right here. There's a level 2 icon. Let's go ahead and swipe this one incomplete. There's a level 1 icon. There's a level 2 icon. There's a level 1 icon. All right, so we're successfully updating this user. Cool. So let's get rid of this stuff. I'm honestly going to just do that for now. I don't trust that. All right, refresh. Test it one more time. Take it right to the current user page. Okay, look, they're level 2. We incomplete one. Boom, level 1. Refresh. Boom, level 2. Okay, so that looks pretty good then. Great. I think that's an update. I think we're good there. So let's go ahead and make some changes or make some commits. Not DBs, lazy get. Okay, yep, user updated. I don't know what's going on here. Why are we changing everything around here? Oh, I must have accidentally committed a crappy version of the schema. Okay. Updating user when badge change. Okay, awesome. Now back to the client. Kind of the same thing. Refreshing badges when changed. Okay, cool. The next thing I want to do is this. Just curious, if I level up here. It's gonna take forever to level up. All right, level 3. How does that look on the timeline? This triple not chopped off, is it? Nope. All right, so let's see what double looks like. Hopefully people can tell the difference. Okay. I think that looks pretty good, honestly. So what's next? Oh, priority. We don't have priority anymore. So we have to add it. Badge, no. Schema. Badge. Badge. Priority. And then from here I can do a push DB. Okay. GG. So now if I LSP restart this, that priority should just work. I swear it should just work. User badge. Badge. Why don't you have priority? So we push the database. We ran Google script. Schema. Badge. Badge. Where's priority? Where is priority? Why is priority not getting added? They added it to the wrong place. Okay. Now we have badges. Priorities. Cool. So then we're going to do an update. So we're going to push that to prod. Let's see here. Planet scale. I need to go to the browser quick and just push this change. Development. Yep. Deploy changes. Here's the best part. Once this change applies, I can update production and pull the data down. So let's go like this. Production. Oh, God. How did I do that? There. Let's go to production. Select star from badge. Nice. So I can set the priority based on type here. So like level. So new user and premium. Update badge set priority equals 1 where category in membership and then new user, and then what's next? So it's priority 2 or category is what? Habit streak tier, and then we'll do 3. We'll probably make that one 3, and then this one will be level. Cool. And then I guess that leaves us with away. Four. Okay, cool. There you go. So there's the priorities. I should be able to pull that down by doing so. Pull DB badge. I spelled badge wrong. So that's going to pull down from production. So now I have it in development. So when I pull the refresh, well, after everything's running, the DevDad's flame should come after the level now. That's how that should work. Right now, before I pulled the refresh, the flame was first. The flame should be second, and you can see it is. Outstanding, guys. Outstanding. All right. And we got enough time to do something awesome that I need to do. Okay. Let me commit this. Priority to badge ordering. Okay. What about over here? Yeah, 2 changes. Added priority to badge order. All right, so here's one thing, guys. We don't know. So check this out. Little Chrome. Check this out, guys. We have a bunch of people who create users. By the way, if you're new here, that way. Wait, no. That way. Scan the QR code, get in on this madness. This beautiful app we're grinding on. Get on in here. Now, a lot of people listen to me when I say that, and they create accounts as you see here, and almost none of them actually, it's so cool. Almost none of them actually good job by Akira there. Almost none of them actually do anything. Delete user. No way. I think I just deleted myself. No, I didn't. That's cool, though. That's cool. So we don't know where they're going in the onboarding process. So in fact, we're going to change. In fact, we're going to make the onboarding process 1, easier, and 2, we're going to record it. Arshad, how to play songs via Spotify link. You copy and paste. You need to use a point redemption. So if you look at the channel points, you can see Spotify song request for 1,000 points. You can paste the Spotify link and it'll play the song. VR, let's go. Welcome, dude. So there you have it. We're just wondering why so many people create accounts. Even worse if you look over here. Look how many people create accounts and they don't. Look how many people haven't even
Stan Chef cheered X100.
My guy, VR. Appreciate that. Appreciate the support, dude. I always like to see if that little audio bit comes out. And it did. It worked. So anyway. We want to, rather than capturing if they finished onboarding or not, we want to see if they actually, how far they got. How far they got. Okay. So let's do that. And so if we go to tutorial completed, that's not what we want to use anymore. Let's see what we do with this over here. Yeah, you're not kidding, Runty. Those are people who created the account and they don't even get past the new user page. I'm like, bruh, you can't even get past the damn new user pro thing? It's crazy to me. All right, so right now, here's what we're going to do. Who calls this? Perfect. This is awesome. So when they hit this endpoint, they're literally sending over a state, which is no longer going to be a completion state. It's going to be, let's see here. User property types. So here, I honestly just want to make this a string. I mean, the key is, uh-oh. User property a lot related. Huh? String. Okay. Easy. Cool. So now the client is no longer going to send over, where is it? Where do we send this thing? I think this. Set tutorial completion state. Cool. We'll call it complete if they finish it. When does that get called? Cool. So really, that happens right here. So if next step else, this is where we want to send. So I'm a little confused. Okay. Const. Um, let's call it next flow state. So we'll call this I'm just gonna call it state string state of type string. And this will be state. This will be string. This should be backwards compatible. That's my hope here. So it's just next step E. Cool. So complete tutorial island. So now we're just gonna basically emit or submit to the server every time they progress. So let's see what this thing is called. Right here. It's created right there. And let's just go verify that this is the only place that calls it. Incomplete. I don't think that's necessary anymore. Maybe. I think we can leave it as is. Okay. So now we want to try to run through this and see what happens. Okay. Let's go to oops. Go to today. Let's delete all these. Which just reminds me we should probably be removing points on anything that gets removed. All right, so we're in a pretty good spot to run the tutorial. So let's do that. So how do I do that? I need to, well, let's go like this. This is not production. Select star from user where username equals, what is my username? T-test. Okay. Select star from property where user ID equals 1132. Delete from property where ID equals 6034. Prop, delete from property. Okay. I probably could have did that better, but that's okay. I'll fix that next time. And then we need to do, let's look at let's look at the user. Select star from user where, okay. How about yesterday I figured out 0 takes you to the beginning of the line. Did you guys know that? What takes you to the end of the line if 0 takes you to the beginning? Uber Rick, yes I am. Yes I am. Using Firebase for auth. Oh, you guys are on my browser. Well, that's weird. But then so does up caret. Up caret takes you to the beginning. 0 takes you to the beginning. $sign takes you to the end. Does something else take you to the end also? Set up equals 0. Terms version. Cool. Uh, version. All right, cool. So let me restart this thing. We should get taken to the tutorial. It looks like we are. Perfect. Let's run it. Ready? Here we go. Tutorial Island, baby. So now I want to start checking my properties because in theory I'm submitting them. Okay, it's currently incomplete. I just selected let's go. Oh man. Dude, why? Don't do it to me. It's like it can't. Okay, cool. We recovered. But I just don't know what the results are. Can't read that. All right, let's try again. A takes it to the end. That one I'm familiar with. I just thought it was kind of interesting that 0, it feels like there should have been like a different, like if 0 takes you to the beginning and doesn't insert, but so does the up caret. If $ takes it to the end, is there something else that matches it? You know what I mean? That's what I'm wondering. Time for a daily Dev Dad very dadly joke. What is the computer's favorite beat? An algorithm. Outstanding. Outstanding. Cheers, Dev Diaries. How you doing? All right. Moment of truth. We're still incomplete. No, I'm not using Firestore's database. So I don't think we're... Whoa. Okay. I think by where key equals I think by setting this, I'm quitting the tutorial. Let's try that again. Hold on. Okay. That I think that would be great to target those folks. Okay. I'm almost certain I know what's happening. All right. Just forward them to the history. Eh? I meant to put a user ID clause on this. Not that it matters anymore. It's called DadBot. Is the name of the database plugin. All right. So here's what's up. Watch this. Main. I'm not sure if we're talking about the same thing process. I'm not sure what you're talking about. I'm working on tracking how far the user made it through the tutorial. So what's happening is this thing's getting a property and apparently we're updating this user. Yeah. We're working through the tutorial. Curious, are we emitting? Are we telling, hey, you've updated? Why is this thing updating? We get used like a million times here. All right. So by setting that value, we are by setting that value, we are telling the app, hey, if there's anything in here, then bail. And I don't love that. The Kitsy, yeah, dude, I've seen this dude. He's awesome. The beauty is there's no real such thing as competition. I mean, no, that's not a valid statement. But the reality is there's enough food on the table for everybody to eat. All right. So we don't want to bail if this thing's set anymore. Or better, we don't want to refresh. I don't know. Hmm. We refresh the user, we're pulling this value down, but isn't that true? I feel like that's true. I don't really know why that's what's changed. Tutorial is complete. Yeah, I don't know what's changed. Complete tutorial island. So we dispatch it there. I wonder if we're... I have a theory. How we're doing this... Oops. How we're doing this might actually be causing the... Yes, it's this. Yeah, 100%. 100%. What file was that? Damn, that was in global state custom hooks. That's fine. State custom. I was thinking of a different file. Okay. So let's see what time we got. 6:30. All right. This is the problem. We are okay. Yeah, 100%. 100%. 100%. My favorite song, by the way. Yo, what up, Donnie? We are tracking. We're working on tracking the user's current state. Yeah. That way we can know how far they made it through the tutorial. Update tutorial island progress. Update tutorial island progress. And then this update is not going to do the dispatch. It's just going to submit the state. You changed your name after you got hacked and your sessions were stolen. Sorry, dude. Working on a bot chat while listening to you. Hell yeah, dude. Keep grinding, Ticknew. Sorry to hear your account got hacked. That's always brutal. All right. Yo, Memo. What up, dude? Why is my alert not coming through for subs? That makes me so sad. Memo. Major sub alert. That's the best I could do because for some reason this thing sucks. That's not you. That's some random
Snukes
subscriber.
just
I don't know
subscribed.
why it's not picking those up, but it devastates me. Thank you for the support, dude. Thank you for the support. And welcome in, dude. Next step. Okay, so update tutorial island progress will not. This should work perfectly. And in fact, I think I'm going to do this. No, that's fine. Cool. All right, let's refresh. We're probably going to have to. We're probably going to have to do one of these. Refresh again. Here we go, guys. So this is hopefully going to track every new user so we can see how far they're getting. Ready, watch. So I should see incomplete, which is step 0. Okay, so they haven't even started it. We click the very first stage. We should see. I was hoping we'd see something. Let's see if this gives us something. Okay. Press add new habit button. Where's Wolverine? I chased him out of here. I chased him out of here. Beard's gone, baby. New feature, new beard. New feature, new beard. Explain set core info. Explain optional info. So look, now we're tracking the steps. Action create. Hi. Create. Explain habit created. Change flow to complete habit. Swipe complete. Your day is complete once all your habits are finished. Sometimes life happens. Swipe fail. Swipe reset. So look, we're tracking all their steps. That's step 1, guys. Your onboarding's complete. Bid good luck. Sweet. It is complete. How beautiful is that? Now we can track Tedious Sloth. Of course, the new follower alert comes. Just not the one. Just not the most important ones, which is the subs. Of course. Literally so annoying. Subscriber alert, bruh. I don't know, man. That's really odd. Anyway. No, sorry. I'm just battling my stupid I've been trying to get these alerts working for so long, and I just can't. Thank you, Tedious. So, Tedious, the problem we're facing is, let me show you some metrics, shall I? The problem I'm facing is people aren't actually doing the onboarding. And I don't know how far they're getting because I I only track when they fully complete it, and that's just not enough insight. So I'm like, are they all failing on the same step? Are they failing at the first step? Why are these people creating accounts? And I'm going to show you what they do. I'm going to show you how far these people are getting. I don't, and I'm about to immediately. Immediately. Because you just said that. That's another thing. Is iOS versus Android? Is there a bug in one of the operating systems that I don't know of? You're onto something so big that we're literally doing that right now. So here we go. Constants. Property. Intro acknowledge. A lot of those are old. Case OS. I'll call it operating system. Operating system. Great. Yes, well, we couldn't get Sentry to build, unfortunately, which is why we don't use it anymore. But Sentry does show you your operating system when you have a crash. I just want to look at somebody's user and know what operating system they're on. And we're pretty much just going to grab it on registration. I'm not going to worry about like keeping it up to date. Mostly, I'm curious, what operating system were you on when you failed to finish onboarding? That's really what I care about. So we added operating system as a property. So then I can come over here and you can set up essentially to also track user journey. That is cool. I don't see what value that gives me versus just tracking the event. But I can also follow their onboarding with what I did, right? I just tracked every single state they make it through. So I don't need a video. But I can imagine if you have lots of buttons and options, that could be useful. You have one button you can push at any given time. So it's predictable enough. But I do see the value in that. Imagine just giving somebody access to the whole app. Now that video becomes way more valuable because you go, oh, they clicked here, they clicked here, they clicked here, they clicked here, and then they broke. Totally get it. Totally get it. Okay, so we're going to user controller, user property controller. We're doing set and get. Yeah, we're just going to do set. I don't think we need get. Set operating system. Set operating system. Operating system. Don't do that to me. Don't tell me I have a different request for every property. Set user to dang it. Set user. Set you User. Oh. Time zone request. Really annoying. It's not that annoying. Uh, Fine. I'll even go to constants and add a new operating system option here. Operating system category invalid. iOS. What is it? iOS. Android. Get. Let Copilot do this for me because I don't feel like doing it myself. Get operating system category. Switcherooski. What happened? You'd be surprised, baby. What have I screwed up? Probably this needs to go down here, maybe? No? What's your beef? Okay, great. That looks lovely. What's your beef with me? Oh, there's a space. Yep, operating system category. Great. So then if we go to property types, export, I'll just do this. Set set operating system request, operating system. That's the request. And I don't think we'll ever need a response, so who cares? So now we're going to send that to both the front end and the back end, our DTOs. Now we shall. Where you be? Where you be? Why? I don't believe you. Let's go to constants quick and just make sure this is a false error. It is. Great. Who? Where are you used? Where are you used? Here. Cool. Here's post. We're basically going to grab the same thing. Call this operating system. We already have a post down here for time zone. What's this? Oh, that's tutorial, not time zone. Okay. Operating system request set operating system request operating system gonna yoink this. Set operating system System state. Here we go. This is going to be called operating system, and this one will be called, oh no. What is going on? Operating system. Great. So that'll set the operating system for me on the user. Ooh, lovely. So now we need to go here and call this thing. That operating system. I'm gonna one up this thing. Yeah. Strong. So I made it bigger, dude. It wasn't looking good, looking dinky. So, and you weren't around, which is fine. You know it. Nobody's required to be around, but I needed it, right? So I hopped on and got to work. So I had to clone this because I didn't have edit access to yours. But basically, I think these are the three I chose. So I only did it for one. We need to do it for the rest, which I'm glad to do. It really wasn't hard. The framework was already laid out. I tried a couple other variations also. I thought this one looked the best. So that's my plan. Gonna keep cooking on that. But nobody's gonna hit level 2 for, sorry, no one's gonna hit level 4 for a couple days. So we have a little bit of time. And by the way, Strunk, I just want to show you something. Guys, Strunk, if you're unfamiliar, Strunk is our teammate who really basically controls all of our icons. So you guys are collecting points. You can't see them. You can't see the widgets, but you can see them on your profile. You can see them on your badge. Yeah, Strunk is running all of our icons. Shout out Strunk. Strunk, I want to show you something. You do not have to delete the badge. In fact, please don't delete the badge. That will break things. If we delete the badge, things break. What you do instead is you simply upload your new icon. So notice this is called level 1 v3. This is called level 2 v2. I made versions of it, right? You can even change the name back when you're done. But either way, create versions of these things, upload them, right? Online award. Then you would come in here and say level 1, 2, 3, right? Save. Category is, of course, level. Go to badge. If you want to change this one, you change it here, right? Boom, I changed it. I'm not actually going to save it. Then you can come back to your levels and delete, or your icons, and delete the one you've gotten rid of. Hopefully that makes sense. By doing that order of operations, our server won't crash like the last time. So that allows us to update icons or badges however we want. What up, Trevin? You're making a service that uses AI to review pull requests, create bug reports, fix bugs, write simple tests, implement. Why would you feel bad? Oh, dude. Yeah, why should you feel bad? Exactly, Strong. And so what I did, just so you know, Strong, this icon is now the size of the outer frame on level 1. On level 2, we have the outer frame, and then the inner one is the same size as the middle one. Hopefully that makes sense. You are not obligated to do it. If you are excited and want to do it, I would be appreciative. But no one's ever obligated. Or required to do anything. Okay, let me see if I can paste those for you. Dude, I wouldn't Trevin, I wouldn't worry about it. I would not worry about it, dude. Page 2. Do what your heart loves, man. There they are, strong in all their glory. Do what your heart loves, man. All right, let's get back to cooking. I'm gonna do what my heart loves. And I ain't talking cooking in the kitchen either. All right. So what were we doing? We were adding operating system. Set operating system request. Oh. Is iOS. Watch this. Operating system device is iOS. Constant dot operating system category dot iOS is Android. These coming from the same place? Yeah. Yeah. Invalid. I like to put an invalid state just in case you get something weird. Although we could chef it up at the kitchen too. Speak for yourself. Speak for yourself, Space. I am not one for the kitchen. I am one for eating in the kitchen. I am not one for the kitchen. Guys, give me 2 seconds. Gotta run to the restroom real quick. Be right back. You guys, I'm not even urinating in the bathroom. And I'm not defecating either, believe it or not. What am I doing in there? I'm blowing my damn nose, guys. So I'm gonna pop one of these. Vitamin C. How much invalid state can fit inside a single? Eh? The hell's a toucan? Talk about the bird? How much invalid state can fit inside of a single toucan when one toucan is doing a Twitch stream? I got nothing for you on that one, dude. Did your AI generate that, bro? All right, emergency in the embedder merged bottle. Let's go. Let's get healthy, guys. Let's get healthy. It just blasted. It's not bad. It's like the worst Gatorade you've ever drank. It's like the most diluted Gatorade you've ever drank. Why is there an Axios instance? So I could talk to my server, bro. Or else my server would be lonely. And we don't want my server to be lonely. Because I don't know, dude. Probably because I needed to do certain things with Axios, such as send over the client the auth token and such. Likely just a wrapper. I don't even know. It has interceptors, so we do some conversions on data coming in and out. We attach some headers. That way, they're always done, or they're always attached. We can do some certain things if there's an error that comes in. We log out if the server tells us to re-authenticate. Stuff. We do stuff. All right. What is next? What time we got? 7, bro. We need to get this operating system added immediately. I got lost in the sauce. Where were we? Why were we over here? I don't know. Whatever. Sure. Set operating system. And then you come over. So that's going to be user property operating dash system. I don't do underscores in URLs. I just don't. Operating dash system. Guys, you guys see Strong cooking over there? He cooks. I'll just tell you that much. User property operating system, payload, iOS, Android, blah, 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 blah. Okay, the question is, where do we add this? Where do we care to fire this data over? Well, where do we fire over the time zone? Wherever we set time zone, we should also set operating system. What are you? User prop. What's the rough stack you're using? Thoughts on Expo? Expo's 10 out of 10. I've never used anything else to compare, but as a computer programmer who's written software before in different non-mobile spaces, I picked up React Native, and I used Expo. And the set of libraries and the consistencies they provide you, I will likely never leave their managed workflow. It is just too easy. It's too simple. The builds just build. There's no penalties. There's no fighting. She just cooks. The notifications are easy as it freaking gets. That just reminded me. I think Android's notifications are. In fact, I'm almost certain Android can't send notifications right now on my app. Almost certain. Because speaking of Expo, they tried to tell me for 60 days, hey, Android's deprecating this system. You need to migrate your notification. And I didn't do it. I said, I'll do it tomorrow. I didn't do it tomorrow. And guess what? Now, the moment I end this stream, I will be fixing that. Oh, you do, Donnie. Thank God. Thank God. Okay, so I'll have to. I still need to do it, but that means they didn't turn it off yet. But Expo's been emailing me like, bro, you got to update this thing. Yeah, Apple does suck. Well, hey, Apple's better than Android. Android takes 30%. Apple only takes 15 for people who don't make a million, which, believe it or not, I fall into that category as I don't make a million. Believe it or not. Well, yeah, there are Android users. We're about to capture capture what operating system they use. So let's go to onboarding. Let's see if where we can capture this. So guys, how about I named my Tutorial Island? It's so great. Tutorial Island dashboard. And where should I set this? Well, where do I set this? Set default time zone. Who's calling you? Who calls get time zone? What the? I don't get it. Who calls this? What? That can't be right. User tutorial complete, guys, calls get time zone. What? What? That's absolutely a that's absolutely a mistake. I just don't know. I don't know. I don't even know what this does. Dude, that's hilarious. Hopefully I'm not using this. I'm not. Oh my god, I was gonna say that's freaking ridiculous. Yeah. It's a it's not it's not used, but that was pathetic. Tutorial complete. We're just returning. I didn't even spell complete right. So that thing obviously is just pointless. But now it works. Not that anybody uses it. So where do I don't know where to I don't know where it's an appropriate place. Oh, I do. Watch this. Login user, create user. Perhaps we'll capture it right here. Oh, look. Look at this to do fix me. I was like, where do I set the time zone? Why did I to do fix me this? I've doomed myself because I have no idea what this means. What do you mean to do fix me? What's wrong with you? User property set default time zone. What's your beef? That seems like a great thing to do. In fact, we're going to do that again. So we're going to do wait a lot. Promise dot all settled, I think. And then we're going to set both of them. User property controller to set operating system. Hey, how lovely. Nice. So hopefully that's not actually a problem. Why don't we create a full-blown new user and test? A full-blown new user. Ready? Our server. We are running an entire workflow right here. I don't care too much. I will deal with the details of when to do it. My on login logic is not good. It gets called every like 4 seconds. So I would be spamming this. So I don't really want to add to that. I need to fix that in general. And at that point, it makes total sense. It'd be a great place to add it. But I suck. So I don't have it added in the right place. All right. So let's just do this quick. let's just run through a whole example here. Ready? Sign out. Alternative. Sign up. Here we go. Test 22. I need to like create like a generate random user button because this is always, I do this so frequently and it's really boring. I suppose it's good to run through the whole workflow though. All right, there's that. Now I need to verify that email. Give me 2 seconds to open up my Gmail and do that. Log in. Did you finish cooking strong? I'm assuming that's what that link is. Okay, here we go. Ready? We are logging in here. So this is the new user workflow. Ready? Create. All right. Not now. All right. So first things first. Select star from user order by ID descending limit 1. So is this my user? Yes, it is. Okay, cool. So this is ID 1133. So there's a lot of people, guys, who get right here and they don't continue. They just stop here. Makes me so livid. But we're going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out. So 1133 is the ID to use. 1133, 1133, 1133. So select start from user property. And let's comment this one out. All right, so far we know they're iOS, but we're storing it as tutorial completed because we have brain damage. So let's go and fix that. User property util. Nope. User property controller. So it's probably on the server actually. I think. I actually don't know. Operating dash system. I can see if users make a username and they don't. Many times they don't. What time we got? 7:08. Damn. Guys, I gotta go. I really wanted to finish this on stream. I know you guys can tell we're right there though, right? Like you see the value there. You know we're right there. Operating system. Trying to see where I screwed this up. So that's a 6. Okay, well, what the fridge? Set user operating system request. I don't think we return any data or even care. Like, let's just not and say we did. Congrats. Nice. All right, there you go. We're set tutorial. No. Set operating system request. There. One thing that might tickle some, though, the word display name might scare some people off, knowing how public it is. And oh, that's very interesting, dude. I'll have to think that through. It's a social network. It's a social network. So you're going to be public. You know what I mean? Where did this thing fail me, guys? Set tutorial. Look, I'm an idiot. Set operating system state. All right, maybe I could speed run this, guys. Maybe I can speed run this. Tutorial where key in we're just gonna delete all properties. Okay. Done. All right, refresh. Here we go. This is the speed run. I gotta go. Let's see if I nailed it. We don't have. Oh crap! It was on user creation. Oh well. Oh well. I'll recreate a user and figure it out later. The boys got to get out of here, guys. I got to get my kid to school. Thank everybody for being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thanks for your feedback and just hanging out with me. If you are new here, scan the QR code top corner. App is live, baby. App is live. We just added points. I'm going to be dropping the release today. You can start earning points right now, but I'm going to be dropping the release today. So let's do a little bit of a raid-a-rooski. We're going to raid. Let's hit Cakes, man. That's my dude. Invalid username. I like to switch it out. What's it doing with the icons in your Vim? They're botched. I need to get nerd fonts, but I don't know how, and I'm lazy to figure it out. So they're just like goofy question marks until I figure that out. All right, guys, let's go say what up to Cakes. Same time every single day if you're new around here. If you're not new around here, thanks for coming back. Again, scan the QR code quickly. I'll give you like 5 seconds if you're interested in checking out the app. If you do check out the app, finish the damn tutorial, or I'm going to be watching you with 2 eyes. I'm going to have you in my scopes. We're going to be tracking you. So finish the tutorial. That's what we need people to do. Take care, everyone. See you tomorrow. Peace.